Good job, Jaestin. Let's see if Uncle Matt knows his milk loco. Uncle Matt, why in the fire oil?
My mom and dad.
Matt! Babe, answer the question. Why in the fire oil?
There's two.
No, it's left
There's
two.
two. I knew that, but I just covered.
Why look for aula?
Yes, sure.
Why not tali papa?
Only Papa mo see.
Matt, why not tali? Why not tali papa?
Where Papa?
Matt, Mose.
I know, but I know like.
Say
I
it.
can't help Jaestin. You know what I mean? He has to learn.
No,
on his own.
he's helping. No, just say it. Why in the fire oil? Come on.
Sure.
No. Why in the fire oil? No, for real, kind babe.
No, for real, I don't know.
Why in the fire oil?
I don't know.
Let's talk.
Let's
Like,
talk.
who created you?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I'm answering you. I'm asking you a question. Why in the fire oil means who created you?
Okay.
Who created you?
Let's talk.
God. Okay, let's why in the fire oil?
Let's talk.
Why lo faola?
Yes, sure.
Why in the tale papa?
Or the Mose.
Not ole mose, o mose.
Or Mose.
Tale ah.
Tell her you know kava.
Fired.